Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check for evictions on your record. It's crucial to understand your housing history, as an eviction can significantly impact future rental applications. We'll explore the primary ways to access this information, including requesting reports from tenant screening services and reviewing public court documents. Knowing your record empowers you to address any inaccuracies promptly. To access your eviction history, begin by requesting your consumer report from major credit bureaus, as some evictions may appear there. Next, reach out to specialized tenant screening companies. They compile extensive rental histories. Additionally, you can directly check public court records in any jurisdiction where you have lived, often through online portals or in person at the courthouse. Once you have your reports, meticulously review them for any errors, inaccuracies, or outdated information. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA, grants you specific rights to dispute incorrect entries. If you find a mistake, gather supporting documentation and follow the formal dispute process outlined by the reporting agency. This can involve sending a written letter and providing evidence. To prevent future eviction issues, always maintain open communication with your landlord, especially if you anticipate payment difficulties. Thoroughly understand your lease agreement before signing, paying close attention to all terms and conditions. If you receive an eviction notice, seek legal aid or housing counseling immediately. These resources can provide crucial guidance and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.